Wish you all a very good day, my dear children. Now, today we are going to discuss grade 9, unit 2, binary numbers. First of all, we have to understand what these binary numbers are. Now, we usually write numbers. Right? 1257, 9608. Like this, we usually write numbers. What are these numbers? They are our ordinary numbers. They are called decimal numbers. Why are they called decimal numbers? They are all based upon 10. Right? Here you are. Now, what are the digits that we use for writing these numbers? We use 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits that we use for writing our ordinary numbers, or in other words, decimal numbers. Then, what are these binary numbers? In binary numbers, we use only 2 digits. Anyway, now let's compare these two binary numbers and decimal numbers. Now, in here, the place value. If you happen to pay rupees 9,653 to a shop, then you take 3 1 rupee coins. They are ones. These are tens. These are hundreds. These are thousands. Like this, the place value. Now you have a good understanding about place value. Right. Ones, tens, 10 again multiplied by 10, they are hundreds. Here, ones multiplied by 10 becomes tens. Then tens multiplied by 10 becomes 100. Hundreds multiplied by 10, then thousands. Again, thousands multiplied by 10 becomes 10,000. Like this, at each step, they are multiplied by 10. They are multiplied by 10 at each step. And for writing these ordinary numbers, we use 10 digits. But binary numbers use only 2 digits. Only 2 digits. What are they? 0 and 1. And they are based upon 2. The first one, these are ones. 1 multiplied by 2, these are twos. Right? Then twos, this place, these are twos. When they are multiplied by 2, again, these are fours. When they are multiplied by again, these are eights. Like this. Here you are. Ones, two, fours, eights, 16s, 32s, like this. You can even write this in the form of powers, right? 2 to the power 0 is the place value. 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, they are 4s. 2 to the power 3, 8s. 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6, like this. Anyway, these are the place values. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. At each step, they are multiplied by 2. Now, my dear children, what are the skills that you have to gain by learning this lesson? What are the skills? There are 4. Turning a binary number into decimal, decimal number into binary, addition and subtraction of binary numbers. Now, let's take up the first one. A binary number into decimal. Right. Now, my dear children, now you know the place values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. These are ones, these are twos, 4, 8, 16, 32, like this. We can write the value of each place in the as a decimal number. Now, these are in decimals, our ordinary usual numbers, right? When we write a binary number, only 1 and 0 we can write. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, like this. But now, how can we understand that this is a binary number? Somebody may say that it is a decimal number. Therefore, we must write 2 in here, but not in numerals. In letters like this, you have to write the word. Okay. Now, my dear children, let's convert this binary number into decimal. Now, you know about the place values. These are ones. These are ones. How many ones are there? 1. Then it is 1. These are twos. Are there any twos? Yes. This is 2. These are 1, 2, 4. But there is no 4 in here. 1, 2, 4, 8. There is an 8. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. There is a 16. Then 32. No 32. 64. There is a 64. Now, by adding these numbers, what are the numbers? 64, 16, 8, 2 and 1. Thereby, you can get the value of this binary number in decimals. Here you are. 1, 2 remaining. Then 8 and 9. Right. Now, this is the decimal number 91. When it is written in binary, that is 101111, but you have to write 2 in here. This is in decimal, this is in binary. Now let's take another few numbers in binary and convert them into decimal. Okay, now let's take up this number first. Now you know these are 1s, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Right? Now are there 1s? No. Are there 2s? Yes, there is a 2. Then there is a 4. No 8s, there is a 16. Now you have to add these 3. Then what? That is 22. This is 22 in decimal. Alright, now this one. These are 1s, 2, 4, 8, 16. All are there, right? 1 and 2. Yeah, 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there, 16 is there. When you add all these together, 20, 30, 31. You have to add these ones. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16, that is 31 in decimal form. Alright, now let's take up this one. No 1s, no 2s, no 4s, no 8s. 116 is there. So this is 16. This one, 1, no 2s, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, but there is a 64. Then 64 and 1 added together, that is 65. Here, this is the way, this is the method that we use for converting binary numbers into decimal. Now, the other way around. Alright, my dear children, now you know how to convert a binary number into decimal. Now we are going to convert a decimal number into binary. It is a bit different. Here you are. Now we are going to convert 45 into a binary number. Right. Write 45 like this and then divide by 2. How many 2's? You can take 22, but 1 remains. Write it in here. This is the first one that comes, that is 1's place. They are the 1's. Alright, again divide by 2, 11. No remainder. Then again divide by 2, 5. 1 remains. Again divide by 2. Then 2, 1 remains. Again divide by 2. 1 and 0 remains. Again divide by 2. 0 and 1 remains. Only 1 remains. Right. In most cases, most of the children, they stop at here. But I advise you to divide the number until it reaches 0. Until it reaches 0. Now only 1 is there. When you divide by 2, the answer is 0. But 1 remains. Right. Now this is the unit place. The first one that comes is the 1's place. Then start from here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. But this 0 is not necessary. You can even write only this one. Right? Then it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. But write 2 in here. Then 45 in decimal is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 in binary. This is the way. When you divide, if there is no remainder, put 0. If there is a remainder, then write the remainder. But the one that comes first, the number that comes first, goes to the unit place. Therefore, this is the highest one. Start from the bottom and write the number like this. Now let's take another 4 numbers and convert them into binary. Yes, children. Now look at this one. Now we are going to convert 12 into binary. 12, let's divide by 2. then it is 6 and no remainder, again by 2, 3 and no remainder, again by 2, 1 and remainder is 1, again by 2, 0, remainder is 1. So, what is the binary form? 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, but write 2 in here. So, this is 12 in binary. Now 56. Let's divide by 2. 28. No remainder. Again by 2. 14. No remainder. Again by 2. 7. No remainder. Again by 2. 3. 1 remainder. Again by 2. 1. Remainder is 1. Again by 2. 0. Remainder is 1. So the number is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Write 2 in here. Right. Next one is 44. 44, let's divide by 2 like this. Then 22. Again by 22, no remainder. Again by 2, 11, no remainder. Again by 2, 5, 1. Again by 2, 2, 1. Again by 2, 1, 0. Again by 2, 0, 1. So what is the number? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Write 2 in here. The last one is 70. It's a bit bigger than the other ones. 70 divide by 2, that is 35, no remainder. Again by 2, 17, 1 remainder. Again by 2, 8 and remains 1. Again by 2, 4 and no remainder. Again by 2, 2 and no remainder. Again by 2, 1 and no remainder. Again by 2, 0 and remainder is 1. 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0. Write 2 in here. So this is the way. Right. Now after converting at the first initial stages, you better convert it once again into decimal and check whether this answer is correct. Now we are going to do addition of binary numbers. Okay children, now look at this. Now we have to add these two. 0 and 1, that is 1. Again 1 and 0, that is 1. 0 and 1, 1. 1 and 1, 2. But you can't write 2 in here. When you get 2, it goes to the other side. So these two go to this side, making 1, and 0 comes to this place. Then in here, 1, 1, 1. You can make one bundle like this and send it to the other side, but 1 will remain. This one comes to this place. Alright. This is the answer for this addition. Now let's take another 4 examples. Now let's add these two numbers. 1, 0, that is 1. Again 0 and 1, 1. 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0, 0. 1 and 1. 1 and 1 make a bundle of 2 and goes to the other side. In here, nothing. That means 0. Then this one comes to this place. This is the answer. Now this one. 1 and 1 make one bundle and goes to this place. And 0 in here. But in here now there are 3. These two make another one and go to this side. And this one remains. These two make another one and go to this side. 0 in here. These two make another one and go to this side. 0 in here. Then these two make another one go to this side. 1 in here. And this one comes to this place. Like this. Right. This one. 1 and 1 go to this place. 0 in here. Then 1 and 1 go to this place. And this one comes to this place. These two come to this place. And this one comes in here and 1 in here. 2. Last one. 1 and 1. One bundle of 2. 0 in here. Another one, this one and this one go to this place. 1 in here, 0 here. These two go to this place. 0 in here. Another one goes to this place. 1 in here. Another one goes to this place. 0 in here. And this one comes to this place. Like this. Always, I advise my children to use circles like this. Write these numbers in a spacious manner using big numbers, digits, and draw circles, and when you shift one to this side, put an arrow. As beginners, it is quite advisable. Now we are going to consider how to subtract. Okay, look at this, right? In here, from 1, you are subtracting 0, that is 1, right? 0, 0, that is 0. There is 1, you are removing 1, again 0. There is 1, you are removing 0, then that is 1, this is 0. But this 0 you need not put. But even if you put it, no matter. This is the answer. In here, from 0 you are subtracting 1. There you happen to take 1 from this side. Now you take this one. Then in here it is 0 because now you have taken it. But when it goes to the other side, when this one goes to the other side, it splits into 2. Now in our decimal system, when you take one number from the other side, it splits into 10. But in here only into 2. Now from the 2 you subtract 1. Then the other one remains. But now in here it is 0. From 0 you happen to subtract 1. Then go to this one to take 1. But nothing is there. Go to this one. There is nothing. Then take this one. Leaving 0 in here. Then when you shift it to the other side, it splits into 2. Then take this one and send it to the other side. Then also it splits into 2. Again you take this one and send it here. Again it splits into 2. From 2 you remove 1. Then 1 remains. In here there is 1 remaining. Now you are subtracting 0, that means 1. From 1, 1, 0. From 0, 1. Again you happen to take this one to the other side. Then it splits into 2. From these 2 you are removing 1, then 1 remains. This is the answer. In here, from 0, that is 0. Subtracting 0 from 0. But to subtract this one, you happen to take, there is nothing in here, nothing in here, nothing in here. Therefore, you are taking this one. When this one is shifted to the other side, it splits into 2. Again, from these 2, you take 1. And it sends it to this place. It splits into 2 once again. Again, you take 1 and send it to the other side. That also splits into 2. From these 2, you are removing 1. Then 1 remains. In here, from 1, 0. Again 1 remains. From 1, 1. 0 remains. So the final answer, you need not put this. This is the final answer. No matter even if you put this. Right. This is all what you have to learn about binary system. Now what are the things? First of all, you understood what binary system is and what are the digits. Digits are 0 and 1. Only 2 digits are there. And the place values 1s, 2s, 4s, 8s, 16s always multiplies by 2. Then the other one, how to convert decimal numbers into binary, how to convert binary numbers into decimals, and addition and subtraction. So that's all what you have to learn about this lesson. Children, if you are happy about this lesson, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified when we put the next video, and you can share these videos for your friends also to see. That's all. Right. Wish you good luck.